So it's too humid right now. I am recording this video with the fan on. Please bear it with me. Welcome to Fluent Factory. My name is Sania, and today's question is shared by Humaira, a confident member of our Fluent Champions community and a graphic designer from Srinagar. She asked that how do we stay confident if we forget any word or sentence while having a conversation? To answer this, let me ask you a question. If you are driving and your car tire gets punctured, what's gonna be your next move? I'm sure you won't just sit there saying, "Oh no, my tire got punctured, now I can't move. I'm just stuck." No, right? You will put on the replacement tire and keep driving till you reach your destination. So once you are there, then you can fix the punctured tire. That's it. The problem solved. This is exactly how it works when you are speaking English and suddenly you get stuck mid sentence. As someone who's trying their hands on English speaking as a second language, it's completely normal that you forget the right word or your idea, or sometimes you just go completely blank. In that situation, you have got two options. Option number one is that you start grieving. Oh no, I forgot the word. How can I forget like this? What will they think of me? Or maybe just ruin the entire conversation because of that little mistake in your speech. Option number two is that you let it go. You stop worrying about little mistakes here and there and just focus on delivering your idea to the person in front. Now I know it is completely easier said than done. It's not easy to train your brain to be okay with mistakes and still stay confident. So here's the real question. How do you get comfortable with making mistakes or forgetting something and still feel confident? How do you do that? It only happens when you give yourself the permission to make mistakes. When you stop seeing those little flaws as weaknesses and start seeing them as signs of progress, that you are improving every day while you're making a lot of mistakes. You have got to give proof to your brain that even though you forgot a word, you still communicated the idea and the job was done, which you were supposed to do. So when you can continue the conversation without sulking about the small slip ups you had, you will feel free. Mark my words on that. And that's when you will start enjoying the language and living the language, because now nothing is stopping you from expressing what's on your mind. You are no longer trapped inside that invisible wall that kept you stuck in your life. So always go with option number two. Just let it go. Drop the thought that who made a mistake. Just continue speaking and focus on making the other person understand what you want to say. And if you want to gain access to my one-on-one personalized program and become a part of Fluent Champion community, which is the safest place to practice your English communication skills for lifetime, comment one-on-one and I'll share all the details with you. You can also click on the link below to get access to my free session. Bye-bye. Take care. See you on the other side.